This year, Hai Ling, a 1993 graduate of St. Rose in Business Administration, and now co-president of Asia Pacific at Mastercard and a St. Rose trustee, will join me for an armchair conversation so that we can discuss his educational and professional journey and the opportunities and challenges of doing business in the Asia Pacific region.
Thank you all for being here. It feels great to be here because St. Rose is where my American dream started.
What was it like to be an international student when you first arrived in the early 1990s? What was it like here?
I didn't know what I was doing. I had to learn so many things from scratch. St. Rose was a lovely community. To this day, I remember the kind people, the students, the professors, right? The things I learned here. Because I was a business major, I took a lot of classes in economics, and I would encourage all the students here to really do a lot of economics. Because even today in my work, I may have forgotten many things my teachers taught me, but economics as a discipline always stays with me. It makes me more analytical, makes me to look at the world in a very different lens. Mm-hmm. So,
you know, in order to be successful in business, you have to be global, you have to think globally. Do you have any other advice about how to do that when you're in Albany, New York right now, no matter where you're from?
I think the best way to really gain knowledge, to understand other countries, is really to live with these people, to work alongside them, to breathe with them, right? For you to really understand other countries, other people, other cultures, reading a book won't do it. Hearing me talk for 10 minutes won't do it. It's really your own experience. You have to experience it.
What made it possible for you to be successful in that 20-year journey that you just summarized so quickly?
Always be curious, because the world is changing. Like, to challenge yourself to go outside your usual comfort zone, I think is very important. Like, even though I run a big region for Mastercard, I don't think I know it all. I'm learning every day still, and I tripped over things, I failed, but I was able to pick myself up and lick my own wounds, and I moved on, and then I looked back, I was like, this is nothing. That was okay. And that gave me the confidence to say it's okay to take a risk. It's almost like in the investment world, I do a lot of that nowadays. I sometimes make money, I lose money, and when I lose money, it's pretty painful. But if I adopt the right strategy in the big picture of things, it's fine. So you look back at the losses, and so long as you're learning from them, that becomes okay, and that gives me the confidence to take more risks.
Well, this has been a wonderful conversation. Please join me in applauding Hai Ling.